Fantastic opportunity to own this 2-bedroom/2B condo in the Falling Waters Beach Resort. Located in Phase 4 of the complex, this is the only phase that allows owners one dog of any size. Tile throughout west/carpet only in the bedrooms, this spacious condo has an open floor plan and volume ceilings. AC replaced in 2018 and stove and microwave 2019. The bright and coastal feeling will welcome you as you enjoy your 28-feet LANAI with a magnificent water and fountain view. Known for its spectacular resort-style lazy river pool, you will relax as you float around making new friends. A very social pool. There is a second lap pool also for swimming and exercise. So much to do here including pickleball, bocce, shuffleboard and more. In just a short car ride you are either over the bridge to Marco Island or downtown Naples for great dining, beautiful beaches and endless shopping. Paradise awaits you.